yeah, I really want to talk to you guys about breast cancer. It's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I wanted to pay my dues through my channel, bringing awareness to ladies.
Now I'ma tell the world, tell them, I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them, yeah, I'm a billboard.
Alright, so now I want to talk about some of the symptoms, right? Remember that I told you that I feel a lump in my breast and that hurt me, and I think say I did cancer basically. I was very, very, very scared, and that's one of the scares that ladies get. Yes, one of the symptoms is a painful lump in your breast, but not all the time it is related to cancer. Sometimes it can be related to your cycle. But just the same, if you're testing your breast, say have your hand up in your head and think one hand around your side, you test for the lump, right? If you do feel the lump, still go to the doctor and check it out. I don't ramp to check out there something. I need for the P's and Q's with them there's something. Another symptom that you can experience is bloody discharge from the nipple. So you need to be aware of your nipple and what come out your nipple, and like me examine my body like down to the T, because if you notice, ladies, sometimes on your nipple you need to clean it because there's some dark stuff on it. Clean it off and make sure you're up to date with the nipple, because if you're attracting cancer, one of the symptoms is blood discharge from the nipple, so you have to be aware of that. Also, you have to be aware of if your breasts are swollen. Sometimes your breast can swell up on you, like you don't know what's happening, like it just gets swollen, and maybe sometimes it have a different shape, like it is shaped different, maybe one side heavier, something like a shape away. So you have to be aware of those things with your body, and those are some of the signs and symptoms that would indicate that maybe it's a sign of cancer. So you need to get yourself checked out. Alright, so one of the questions that ladies normally ask is like if you get trauma to the breast, because I used to think that because one time a nail scraped my breast so bad, like me said, Jesus peace me, I get cancer. No, but later on I learned that trauma to the breast do not give you cancer. What it will give you is maybe a lump, a blood clot or something, but it doesn't really give you cancer. Alright, so there are certain treatments available. If you detect that you have cancer and you detect it early, you can go on hormone treatment. They have radiotherapy. They have systematic treatments, and these treatments will like have a better chance to cure it once you pick it up early. So that's why you have to be aware with your body and how your body operates to certain things. If something different with your body, like you have to be aware of yourself. Another question that persons normally highlight is if your diet has anything to do with attracting cancer. And yes. Yeah, how we eat in Jamaica and how we eat in the world now is so bad. It's full of so much fat. So if you can eat healthy, better for you. Better for you. So yes, your diet can contribute to attracting cancer or flaring up your cancer cells, right? Okay, so as it relates to the diet, I wanted to touch on this. As it relates to the diet, for women, after you pass menopause, your estrogen level go up, which come from fat, right? So the estrogen and fat, right, will heighten you will be at more risk to develop breast cancer, right, if your estrogen and your fat level is very high. So that's why persons that are overweight normally is at a higher risk of contracting the deadly disease. So you have to be aware of your diet. Once you reach the age, you have to eat proper, and you have to, not even as you reach after 50, but even before, because your action becomes your habits. So by that age it would be easy for you. Contraceptives, I know that a lot of us take contraceptives like the pills, and taking contraceptives does increase the possibilities of attracting cancer, developing cancer based off my research. And back in the day, the estrogen level in contraceptives used to be very high. Now it's not so high, but the risk is still there. Say you have cancer and you take say you develop cancer, right, and you take contraceptives, right? The contraceptive will have the tumor grow faster. You understand? So that's how we know the contraceptive affect cancer. Hope you learned something. Yes, this is Saturday, October 26th, and it's around 9:30 now. I'm up on the river morning. I'm actually at school, come out some project for do. It's a very hectic day for me today. I'm just tired because I've been doing so much. I'm just tired. I never expect to wake up so early this morning, but I have to wake up because I have some stuff to do here. And then now I have some flyers for go sort out for the seminar. So I have that to do. I'm a Skylife at some meetings. And I'm gonna try some raffle ticket. Then there's a raffle ticket at sale. So if you guys want any to purchase to support me, my number is in the bio. You can message me on that and I'll sort it out. It's for a good cause. We help we give back to 2 charities. The West Haven Home for Children, and then now the Farm Infirmary, which is for elderly people and stuff. So really excited about that because I always want to give back and so. So yeah, so we just start out if you deal with the stuff them have to promote. We have a 5K coming up in January. Guys, I want you to come to Montego Bay for the 5K. January 26th, it's a Sunday. So if you guys can support, I would really appreciate it. You can link me up on the numbers just the same. It's breast cancer awareness at school. About them decoration. Outfit. Skirt. So guys, yeah. That me I deal with that now. This seminar is something. I don't drop business. I'm stressed out. But I put together a marketing strategy for the stuff that we have planned. We have one car wash coming up. So if you're in Montego Bay and you want to support a car wash, you can definitely link me up. I have tickets for the car wash as well, because our goal is to raise 2.25 million to run the seminar, to keep the events and so on, and give back to the charities. Very excited about giving back to the charities and so on. Ocean are there today, me alone. Me look to see what else there. We have a cafe corner too, where we sell stuff along there. Oh, we have a cafe corner, like a cafeteria where we sell snacks, pastries, food, and beatings. So guys, if you want to donate to me so I can donate to them so we can meet a goal, you just link me up. It's for a good cause, and that me like about it. And beatings. Ocean are there to them, tell them already? Me alone. So, me I go, me have a work for go start out, right? Me will start out now. Research paper. And maybe me have one event down on church right down the road, so can I dance today, so I'll go down there, support my baby. So maybe me catch that if me not late. Sitting, so I'll talk to you. Subscribe. I'm so tired. I gotta get this done. See, this is what I write in them up on the screen. So I put together the thing. Guys, for the 5K, right? We are planning to do it from KFC to, if you know Montego Bay, KFC to KFC basically, 2 KFC. Then the one from Butterroom goes straight out above. You know, it's a big thing. So if any big companies are watching, like Digicel, Flow, sent me your banana chips. I've got a bag of things by Instagram. So if you guys are watching, we need sponsorship. Water, you know, so I'm a water girl. Water with wow. We're working with some companies already, and we still want to expand to really cover everything that we need to do and provide value for you guys on the day when you get there. Entertainment, locker, everything, you know, prizes and surprises. We want to make sure that we give you good prizes. I'm really excited about the raffle that we have going on. The raffle tickets are only $1,000, and what you can win is a catamaran for 2, a dinner for two at Hard Rock Cafe. And what else? They have one more something for two. Glistening waters. If you know Luminous Lagoon, that's where the water glistens in the night. So it's a very romantic gift. That if you guys win that, that would be great. And then now the car wash. The car wash, we have two ranges for the car wash. We have the small cars like 800, and then the SUV or Voxy. That's a Voxy. That will be $1,000. Well, that is $1,000. I do have the tickets in hand. Let's see what's coming up. I have a cookout coming up. Whatever things. That's in December. I'm gonna start it out yet, but we put together information for that. And yeah, I'm just do a bag of things here and pay things. You know, guys. What I learned is, I never thought the day would come where I would be responsible for so many things and so many people. Like, maybe this is something that I needed to really integrate in my own business, to hold me accountable. I'm responsible for so many people, so many things will happen. I may have to give account for it, you know. So I think this life lesson, being a part of this seminar and getting this position, is to position myself in my business, to hold myself accountable, to be responsible, to plan accordingly. I always have a backup strategy. You know, so I'm just grateful about that. So big up, and I'm doing from big things. Guys, my name is Jim now. Out of control, I tell you. I start diet. Well, I start trying to eat better, because I eat really bad. So I forget that's under control as well. I'm bathing. So